Hello and welcome to the CAD source with AutoCAD Civil 3D. After georeferencing or having a georef template file, we will start by importing coordinates points. Coordinate file can be a text or CSV file. Go to Tool Space, Survey, Import Events, Import Survey Data, Edit Survey Database Setting, select Zone UTM, WGS 8437N. Data source type, insert file, point file, specify point file format like easting, northing, and elevations, how they are arranged. Here we have the points. We will study how to manage these points in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching this tutorial.